In this video, I am going to show you how to fix auto clicker not working on Roblox. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Check for auto clicker updates. Outdated software can cause malfunctions. Make sure your auto clicker is up to date by checking the developer's website or within the programs itself for update options. Step number 2. Run programs as administrator. Right click on both your auto clicker and Roblox and select Run as administrator. This can sometimes resolve permission issues. Step number 3. Compatibility mode. Right click on both programs again and go to properties, then go to compatibility. Try running them in compatibility mode for an older version of Windows, like Windows 8. Step number 4. Check auto clicker settings. Make sure your auto clicker is configured correctly for the button or area you want to click in Roblox. Experiment with different clicks intervals and target areas. Step number 5. Consider alternatives. Roblox may have implemented detection specifically for the auto clicker you are using. Try a different auto clicker to see if it works. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.